Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at something a little different but seriously futuristic, the Ecovacs Goat O1000 RTK robot lawn mower. If you're tired of mowing your lawn the old school way, this could completely change the game for you. First off, the biggest highlight here is that it's completely wire-free. Unlike traditional robotic lawn mowers that need perimeter wires installed around your yard, the Goat O1000 uses RTK positioning technology combined with vision-based mapping to navigate your lawn with precision. That means no complicated setup, just map your yard and let it do its thing. This mower is designed for lawns up to a quarter acre, making it perfect for most homes. Once set up, it automatically creates efficient mowing paths, ensuring even coverage without missing spots or going over the same area unnecessarily. Now let's talk about cutting performance. The zero-edge cutting feature allows the mower to trim right up to the edges of your lawn, reducing the need for manual trimming afterward. That's a huge time saver and gives your yard a clean, professional look. Navigation is powered by advanced 3D obstacle avoidance. It can detect and avoid objects like garden furniture, toys, or even pets, making it safer and more reliable during operation. You don't have to constantly monitor it, it's built to handle real-world environments. Control is super simple with the mobile app. You can schedule mowing sessions, adjust cutting settings, monitor progress, and even customize zones directly from your phone. It gives you full control without needing to step outside. And since it's fully automated, it handles everything from mowing schedules to returning to its charging station when needed. It's designed to keep your lawn consistently maintained with minimal effort. So overall, the Ecovacs Goat O1000 RTK robot lawn mower is a smart, modern solution for lawn care. No wires, no hassle, just clean and precise mowing every time. If you want to upgrade your outdoor maintenance, check the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.